Sana paglaki ng mga anak ko makapag-aral sila ng mabuti, mabigyan ko sila ng magandang buhay.
Ang first 1,000 days ay nagsisimula sa pagbubuntis hanggang ang edad ng baby ay 24 months.
Because children develop the fastest when they are in their first 1,000 days, and that includes brain development.
Sa LGU of MacArthur Leyte, so we have a top priority programs in nutrition. We conducted irregular prenatal check-up. So yung lahat ng mothers, trinatrack natin as early as possible through our BHW and our BNS in the barangay.
Kailangan ang buntis namin ay makapunta na dito bago pa mag 3 months ang tiyan niya. Para matatawag natin siya na quality prenatal. So kaya binibigyan namin ang nanay ng mga multivitamins, mga ganyan na iinumin nila araw-araw.
Para po si baby healthy, hindi po siya malnourished, malusog yung katawan, hindi masakitin, ma-develop ba yung brain niya at saka yung heart niya po, ma-develop din.
So nagpo-promote agad kami na kailangan pag nanganak ka, paglabas ng baby mo, mag-exclusive breastfeeding ka. Within 6 months talaga.
Ang breastfeeding support group meron na po kami at saka nagka-counseling na para ma-change yung behavior nila.
Despite the fact that you are here, I can tell that you're already kind of like a mother who wants the best for her child. And it takes a lot of effort, but it's worth it.
With the help of PNNP and UNICEF, nagkakaroon ng clear delineations of roles and functions in each sector. Organized Barangay Nutrition Council is now knowledgeable and now in authority to implement on their own nutrition programs.
Investing in local system is important because at the end of the day, policies need to be implemented for them to change the lives of children.
It's important to invest in nutrition because it supports the growth and development of every young child. It helps them reach their full potential both mentally and physically.
It's the greatest investment that the country can make.